5 ways to fall asleep fast. According to the National Sleep Foundation, adults should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. However, a poll from the American Psychological Association found that 1 in 3 Americans don't get enough sleep. If you're one of those people who struggles to fall asleep at night, here are 5 ways you can drift off to sleep fast. 1. Establish a regular sleep schedule. One of the best ways to fall asleep fast is to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This may be difficult at first, but your body will adjust and it will become easier over time. 2. Create a bedtime routine. A bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to start winding down for the night. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or writing in a journal. Do whatever makes you feel relaxed and helps you forget about the day's worries. 3. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Caffeine and alcohol are stimulants that can make it harder to fall asleep. Caffeine should be avoided 6 hours before bedtime, while alcohol should be avoided 3 hours before bedtime. If you need something to help you relax before bed, try herbal tea instead of coffee or wine instead of beer. 4. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Your bedroom should be a haven for sleep, which means it should be dark, cool, and quiet. If light is seeping into your room from outside, invest in some blackout curtains or an eye mask. And if noise is keeping you up at night, try using a white noise machine or earplugs. 5. Put away electronics before bed. The blue light emitted by electronics can disrupt your natural sleep cycle by making it harder for your body to produce melatonin, a hormone that makes you feel sleepy. To avoid this, put away all electronics, including your phone, laptop, and TV, at least 30 minutes before bedtime so you can unplug and unwind before hitting the hay. Conclusion. If you're struggling to get enough shut-eye at night, try out these 5 tips to fall asleep fast. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a bedtime routine, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed, keeping your bedroom cool and dark, and putting away electronics before bed can all help you drift off to sleep quickly and get the restful night's sleep you need.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more viral fresh videos.